We got a new Odyssey G7 gaming monitor just released by Samsung, but get this, it's 37 inches. The good news is that it may be using a new TCL CSOT panel with a 5000:1 contrast ratio, as up to 3 new HVA panels, HVA Black, HVA Fast, and HFS Shoot have all been displayed and showcased at the China Joy conference. First up, we have the Odyssey G7 G75F 37-inch model. Samsung is touting that this is in the original Odyssey G7 line, not Neo G7. There's no many LEDs to be found here, but we do have a 1000R curve, VISA display HDR600, 165Hz refresh rate, with a 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time, support for AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, 4K, finally, an Odyssey monitor at 4K, larger than 32 inches. As you can see here, Samsung already has the product page up, and it will be released very soon worldwide. No news on local dimming zones, or for any zones at that matter. So it could be that we're getting none, or 8, 16, but currently, they're not touting any kind of zones. And it is stating a 3000:1 contrast ratio, while you're going to see in a bit, the new TCL HVA panels are touting 5000:1. The correlation with the new panels on this monitor is brought to you by WCCF Tech, and this monitor actually was displayed at the conference, stating HVA. So if you love the Odyssey line of monitors and just wanted a bigger size, this is it. And at 4K, it seems to deliver that immersion at 1000R. Prices right now are fluctuating depending on the USD. From Malaysia to China, the US equivalent would be about $599 to $999. We'll find out very soon when Samsung releases them worldwide. Now here at the China Joy event conference, the company TCL CSOT is touting 3 more variations of their proprietary panels. We have HVA Fast, HVA Black, and HFS Shoot, all offering top-of-the-line features for eSports monitors. The HVA Fast is a VA panel that features a 1 millisecond response time and is ideal for large monitors, measuring up to 57 inches in the ultra-widescreen format and bringing up to 1000R curvature. It's perfect for AAA titles where gamers need more immersion, but also a lower response time. HVA Black is specifically crafted for the eSports gamer, which can allow monitors to reach up to 500 Hz of high refresh rates. However, unlike the regular VA panel, its contrast ratio will be far better at 5000:1, bringing deeper blacks and richer visual quality. And on the other hand, the HFS Shoot replaces regular IPS panels, bringing the advantage of the 3 highs. This means high refresh rate, high image quality, and high resolution support, which will be excellent for shooter games. The display will also support a one-click switch between 2D and 3D modes, and will offer a cylindrical lens naked eye 3D that eliminates the need for 3D glasses. They do have a picture of the IPS Samsung 3D monitor, the G90XF, and they're stating that it's going to replace it. So that's pretty cool, because HVA panels give us better contrast versus IPS. As long as we don't get any smear, I think we're all going to be on board. These were the main 3 panels being debuted at China Joy. Here I'll have a rundown, just so you can see what was displayed. But these 3 panels are the future of VA, and it offers something for everyone, even people who love 3D. And that for sure will be a big improvement over IPS. And here's hoping that the new G7 37-inch Odyssey monitor does support these new HVA technologies. So friends, there you have it. It's great to see VA panels getting improved, and finally Samsung supporting bigger monitors other than the standard 27 and 32-inch models. I think 37 inches is the way to go, and here's hoping they can give us something a little bit larger than this. A dedicated gaming monitor at 42-43 inches, or say 45, like other brands. Friends, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button so more people can see it to help them make that awesome buying decision. Consider subscribing if you want more videos just like this one. Breaking news, reviews, previews, gameplay videos, and everything in between. Only found here on Display Reality. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay safe out there. I'll see you guys next time.